Advanced is a word that means something is at a higher or better level than usual. It shows progress or improvement. The word advanced is an adjective and sometimes a verb form. It helps describe how far something has grown or moved forward. The basic meaning of advanced is being more developed or more skilled than others. When something is advanced, it is ahead in time, knowledge, or progress. Advanced can also mean something that has improved or become more modern. It can describe a higher level of skill, learning, or ability. For example, advanced technology means very modern machines or systems. An advanced student is someone who studies at a higher level than beginners. An advanced country is a nation with strong education, science, and economy. Advanced skills mean abilities that are better and more practiced than basic ones. Advanced age means someone is older or in the later part of life. When used as an adjective, advanced describes something that is more developed. As a verb, advanced is the past form of advance, meaning to move forward or make progress. In education, advanced means higher level classes or subjects for skilled learners. In science, advanced means new discoveries or modern research methods. In medicine, advanced means better treatments or new medical technology. In technology, advanced means modern tools, computers, or machines. In sports, advanced means players with strong skills and experience. In art and music, advanced means creative work that shows great skill or new ideas. In daily life, advanced can describe anything that is more modern or improved. The opposite of advanced is basic or beginner. These words mean simple or early stage. Words similar to advanced include developed, modern, improved, and progressive. Advanced is used before a noun to describe it, like advanced course or advanced system. Sentence example 1, she is in an advanced English class. Sentence example 2, this phone has advanced features. Sentence example 3, the company uses advanced machines. Sentence example 4, he has advanced knowledge of computers. Sentence example 5, they live in an advanced society. A common mistake is using advanced for things that are not higher level. Use it only when something is more developed. Let's review. Advanced means higher, better, or more developed. It can describe people, things, or ideas. In summary, advanced shows progress, skill, and improvement. It helps describe something that has moved forward. Thank you for learning with Wordscience.